So one of the reasons I've come back is because I'm giving Mum her 60th birthday present, but she doesn't know it yet.
Right.
And she doesn't know what it is.
Right.
And I'm trying to do it as a surprise.
Right.
So I've bought her a car.
Right.
And at Jupiter Motors, and I want to like get her there for it and surprise her, and it's got like a big bow on it. So what do you think Mum's reaction's going to be?
Oh, she'll just tear up.
You think? Well, holy shit, I'm going to give her a heart attack then.
Yeah. Yeah. If she cracked it over that, she's going to lose a lot of
I
these.
know. That's what I mean. She might just like kind of go into shock. Oh, there's one. Hey Emma, do you think Mum's going to like her 60th birthday present?
Congratulations! Happy 60th! It's making me cry. I'm not being silly.
Yeah, enjoy it, Mum.
No, that's too much.
No,
They can't afford it.
I can. It's for me. It's for me. It's alright. This is as much of a surprise for him as well.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Mum, I can do whatever. I can do whatever I like. It's the least I can do.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I said thank you.
It's a 2018. It's all yours.
Crazy, isn't it?
Jump in.
Go through.
I did open the wrong side of the car though, I just realised. It's your birthday.
Nobody does that.
Yeah, it's your car. You happy with your new car?
I'm so happy. I can't believe you bought me a car. I'm still in shock, Tara. Oh, that's just so beautiful.
Mwah.
Just so thoughtful. I love
Enjoy
you
it.
so much. Thank you.
Enjoy it. Is it a nice drive, Mum?
It's a beautiful drive. I'm not going to look at you.
No, don't.
It's wonderful. It's all right. I got insurance. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh! I never thought I'd have a new car.
This is your first one, isn't it?
No, when
Or
you
was the
kids-
Pintara
the
brand new?
Pintara when you and Clinton.
What, in 1980?
When you were babies, about 1980. Yeah, brand new Pintara. That was, oh my gosh, that's almost 40 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the
You're
only
like
new
22.
car. Yeah, never had a new car apart from that one. It's got so much power, I'm going to gun it.
You're gonna go.
Woo, woo. Woo, woo.